Hello, in this video we will learn to sync your files and attachments from your Nextcloud storage connection using our module Cloud Storage Sync. So first, by going to configuration and cloud connections, I have created this account for my Nextcloud. So I have selected the storage provider as Nextcloud over here. Then I will give the root folder name as Nextcloud storage. I have enabled these options so that the user can download the files from their Nextcloud and from Odoo. Also, enable backward sync is enabled, like automatically all of the changes from your Nextcloud account will be updated over here in Odoo. Then I have added the Nextcloud credentials. After adding all the details, I will click on Authenticate with Nextcloud button. So once done, you will be able to see that it is authenticated. And now I will go to my Nextcloud, refresh the page. So you can see the folder has been created over here named Nextcloud storage. Now again, if I go back to my Odoo, then the folder mapping rules. So for this Nextcloud, I will create a folder mapping rule related to my inventory model. Like, it's up to you for which module you want to create the rule. So here I will select the cloud connection as Nextcloud, the Odoo model as inventory. I will select this transfer one, that is for the inventory transfer, and I will name the expression from the reference name, that is object.name. Then I will create some subfolders inside it, like internal transfer delivery. So this default subfolders will be created whenever I will open any record related to transfer and inventory. Then the template files, if I want to add, I can add, which will be added in all of the folders created. So after adding all these details, I will save the rule. Then I will go back to my inventory model and open any one receipt. So as I open the receipt of this model, that is transfer, so I will be able to see this tab, that is cloud documents. If I go to that tab in the record, so here you can see automatically the root folder with the reference name of this receipt is created. Then two subfolders are created, that is internal transfer or delivery. The same thing if I go to my Nextcloud. So inside this root folder, I will be able to see the receipt folder has been created, and inside that two folders are automatically created in my Nextcloud account as well. Now from here, I will upload one file. So this I have uploaded it, but as I told you, like, we have provided one schedule action that will run within the specified amount of time. So instead of waiting for that time to come, I will go and to the cloud storage sync operation and queue monitor. So this is something, it will show you all of the pending process that are left to be completed, or that are left to be synced. So here the last one is related to the stock.picking, that is I have added the attachment in one internal transfer, that is one receipt. So I am opening it and I'm clicking on this button, that is force sync now. So it will run the scheduler manually, and it will help you to upload the attached file in the record. Like, if I go again inventory and open that receipt in the cloud documents, I will be able to see that icon has been uploaded. If I go and refresh my Nextcloud account, So here I will be able to see that icon has been uploaded. The same thing if I uploaded from here in the chatter. Once uploaded, again if I go back in the receipt, open that receipt in the cloud, it is under process. So now I will go to cloud storage sync operation and queue monitor, and I will find that record, open it and force sync now. So it will be completed, and if you refresh it, so you'll be able to see that file as well in your Nextcloud. Then under operation, after queue monitor, we have provided this secure portal share. So you can create a portal sharing link, like if you want to share some specific folders of your specific model based on your folder mapping rules, so you can create this portal share. You just need to create by clicking on new this portal share, then you need to select the cloud connection. So as I am doing it for Nextcloud, so I will select that. Once you select the cloud connection, you will be able to see the folders that are created under this connection. So whichever folder you want to share, you can select that folder. You can select the partner, with which partner you want to share this folder. You can set the expiry date, like this is the expiry date, till this date only this link of this folder will be accessible for this partner. Then access mode I can keep as read and write or read only. Then I can allow some workspace permissions to search, to download the folders or upload anything in the folder shared. Once done, I will get one secure share link. If I copy it and go to that link, so you will see that the access is denied for this folder, because here this folder has been shared to only this specific user. So if I want this user allowed to be access to that folder, so the user should be logged in to the Odoo database, but currently I am logged in with my admin database, so for that reason the access is denied. Now if I remove the partner from here and save the changes, then if I again go back and refresh the page, so now you can see the folder shared can be accessible for each and every user. You can see all of the subfolders as well, the files uploaded over here, and you can download the file and you can be redirected it in the Nextcloud as well. So this is something related to the portal share. Then sync audit logs, so you can see all of the logs over here regarding your process. Then after folder mapping rules, we have an option to create the file tags, like whichever file tag you want to create, you can create it from here. And once created, you can assign those tags to your files as well. Then going to the file explorer, so this is something, a dashboard which will give you the visibility to see all of the folders or the files that are attached in all of your cloud connection storage. So here you can see all of the folders and files related to all your cloud storage connections. Like here you can select with which connection you want to work. Like for now I want to select only the Nextcloud connection, like I want to see the files related to it, so I can select it from here. So only the folders related to my Nextcloud account will be visible to me. Then if I right click on this, so we have provided the option of creating a subfolder under this. Like if I'm creating it and create folder, so a subfolder will be created inside it. Then this will help you to redirect to Nextcloud, like this folder will be opened in Nextcloud directly. From here you can open the linked record in your Odoo. Now the next thing is, like if I go to that folder, so I can edit the settings, like I can allow some access control and security to some specific groups and users for this folder, and I can save the changes. So this folder will be accessible to only the allowed groups and the allowed users added over here. After then, I can delete the folder from here, and also I can download the zip file as well. Then the tags created from this menu, file tags, will be visible over here. If I open this folder and right click on some specific file, so for there also I can download the file. I can manage the tags, like I assign some tags to the specific file. Then I can open this file in my Nextcloud and delete the file. Also, if I select multiple files, then I will be able to download the zip file for those selected files. Also, we have provided the option to move those files to another folder. Like once clicking on that button, you will be asked a destination folder. Like I am selecting this destination folder and clicking on move files. So it will help me to move my files from the previous folder to the selected destination folder. So this way you can manage all the files from here. Also, you can refresh it from here using this button if any new file has been added. Now I will go to my Nextcloud and upload one file over here. Just a moment. I will select another file. Like I have uploaded this file over here. Now I will again go back to my Odoo and I will search for that schedule action related to the backward sync, because I want to update the data from my Nextcloud over here in Odoo, as this is the schedule action which will run after 15 minutes. So for now I will run it manually. Once done, if I go to my file explorer, refresh the page, so here if I select my Nextcloud connection and go to that folder, so now you can see that file has been uploaded over here as well from your Nextcloud after you are running the schedule action manually. Then you can refresh it from here as well if any file has been added. Then the next thing is, like if you go to the cloud connections and if you open, then you have the option to pause the sync, because currently because of this schedule action the sync is done automatically on continue basis. But if you want to pause it for some time, you can pause it using this button and resume it again. Then reversal sync, so this functionality will help you to take all of your data from your cloud connection. So you just need to select the cloud connection and where you want to fetch all the data, that folder, and the folder will only be visible which folders you are created for this cloud connection. Like currently I have only folder mapping rule related to cloud Nextcloud for inventory model. So here I can see just inventory folder rule. Then we have two options, like either to restore all the data over here and delete it from your Nextcloud, or restore it and keep a copy in your Nextcloud. So after filling all the details, you can click on start reversal sync and all of your data will be synced over here. Lastly, if you go to configuration and folder mapping rules, now this is the rule which is created for Nextcloud. Like all of your attachments in Nextcloud will be synced or related to the transform Odoo model using this rule. But now if you want to change any other cloud connection, like I have a cloud connection related to my Google Drive, let me create it one. For example, if I am selecting a Google Drive and creating a one cloud connection for it, so if I again go and in the folder mapping rules, instead of Nextcloud, I'm selecting the Google Drive cloud connection. So a button named migrate or reattach files will be visible to me. So once I click on that button, what it will do is it will migrate all of my data from Nextcloud, that is my previous cloud connection, to the newly added cloud connection, that is Google Drive. So this was the functionality of our module using Nextcloud cloud storage connection. Thank you.